Today we start the example maxima and minima. So last lecture we studied how to find the maxima and minima by using a first derivative test and second derivative test. लेकिन इस एग्जाम्पल में हम लोग जो भी इस लेक्चर में हम जो भी एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करने वाले हैं तो वी फाइंड द मैक्सिमा एंड मिनिमा बाय यूजिंग अ सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट. तो सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट एग्जैक्टली क्या है मैं वापस से रिपीट करती हूँ. सो सपोज एफ ऑफ एक्स इज गिवन, कोई सा भी एफ ऑफ एक्स आपको गिवन दिया होगा. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप होगी कि फाइंड द एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स एंड फाइंड डबल एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स. करेक्ट. So my first step, find f dash of x and double f dash of x. Second step, we can find the roots. So we can find the roots if f dash of x is equal to 0. If f dash of x is equal to 0, means f dash of x को हम लोग 0 consider करेंगे. So we get the roots, we get the stationary point, we get turning point. Okay. Then after, suppose c is the root of this equation. C is the root of this equation. So this c we can substituting in double derivative. We can substituting double derivative. Means first we find f dash, f double dash. Then we find the extreme value. That time we f dash of x is equal to 0. Suppose we get the roots of this equation. These roots are we consider c. If c is the root of this equation, we substituting double derivative of c. That time we check if it is less than 0, then f has maximum. F has maximum and x is equal to c. And if double dash of c is greater than 0, then f has minimum. F has minimum and x is equal to c. Okay. Then after, suppose another root of this equation. Suppose c were here first roots. Suppose c2 is second roots. So again c2 substituting in f double dash. We check is greater than, less than. If greater than, then minimum is less than is maximum of function at that point. Okay. So we can solve some example based on the second derivative test. So my example is, find the maximum and minimum of the following function. So f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 12x square plus 36x minus 20. We can find the first derivative. Means here given f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 12x square plus 36x minus 20. First derivative we can substitute, find f dash of x. How to find all function in term of standard x raised to n form. So we can use here x raised to n form formula. So 3 multiply 2 which is 6x square minus 2 multiply 12 which is 24x, because power whatever power taking front and power 1 से minus करनी है. So x raised to n का formula क्या है? x raised to n for derivative with respect to x. The formula is n x raised to n minus 1. Same formula we can use here. Now 36 is a constant, derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So plus 36. 20 is a whole constant, derivative is 0. Again we can find f double dash of x. F double dash of x, same procedure, 12x minus 24. Now we can find the extreme value. Therefore now the extreme value, if f dash of x is equal to 0, f dash of x is equal to 0. So what is your f dash of x? Your f dash of x is 6x square minus 24x plus 36 is equal to 0. In this term 6 is a common, take it outside. So we get here 6 inside the bracket x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now 6 here multiply both that side is divide, 0 divide any number we get a 0. So x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So quadratic equation we can find here roots. Means we can find those two numbers which multiplication is 2 and addition subtraction is 4. So therefore x square minus multiplication is 2 and addition subtraction is 4. So number is here 21. Correct. Example is wrong. Here 21. So here 21. Here 42. Okay. So here 42. Now this also change. 6x square minus 42x plus 36. Now is equal to 0. 6 take it outside. So we get here 6x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. So therefore x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now simplify. We find those two numbers. Multiplication is 6 and addition subtraction is minus 1. So x square minus 6x minus x plus 6 is equal to 0. So in this term x minus 6, take it x is common. In this term minus 1 is outside. X minus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 6 one bracket, second bracket x minus 1. So we get here roots are x is equal to 6 or x is equal to 1. These two roots we get. Now we can find the third step. We put x is equal to 6 in double derivative and then check f dash of x is greater than 0 or less than 0. So consider first. Consider at x is equal to 6. Put x is equal to 6 in f double dash of x. We get f double dash of 6 is equal to, whenever it's 6, x substituting 6. So 12 multiply 6 minus 42. We get 72 minus 42, which is 30, which is greater than 0. Which is greater than 0. So by second derivative test, we can say that by second derivative test, we can say that f has a minimum value. F has a minimum value. F has minimum value at x is equal to 6. At x is equal to 6. And minimum value क्या होगी उसकी? So whenever is f of x, we can substituting 6. So minimum value at x is equal to 6 and minimum value is what is your f of x? F of x is equal to 2x cube minus 21x square plus 21x square plus 36x minus 20. So f of 6 we can substitute here 2 6 cube minus 21 6 square plus 36 multiply 6 minus 20. So we get here 2 multiply 216, 6 raised to 3, we get 216 minus 21 multiply 36 plus 216 minus 20. So we get here 6 multiply 2 multiply 216, we get 12, 1, 3 and 4. 432 minus 21 multiply 36, 21 multiply 36, we get 756 plus 2 16 minus 20. Again simplify. We get here, this simplify, we get here minus 128. So minimum value we get minus 128. Now same procedure we can use by second method. Same procedure we can use by second roots. So next root is, consider x is equal to 1. So put x is equal to 1 in f double dash of x. X is equal to 1 in f double dash of x. So we get here f double dash of x is equal to 12x minus 42, which is 12 multiply 1 minus 42, which is minus 30, which is less than 0. which is less than 0. So by second derivative test, f has maximum at x is equal to 1 and maximum value is whenever is f of x substituting 1, so f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 21x square plus 36x minus 20. We can substituting x is equal to 1. So 2 multiply 1 cube minus 21 1 square plus 36 multiply 1 minus 20. So f1 is equal to 2 minus 21 plus 36 minus 20. So we can simplify. We get here x is equal to minus 3. Therefore x1 is equal to minus 3, which is maximum value. So how to find maximum and minima by using second derivative test? First we can find f dash of x. Second we can find double f dash of x. Then after we can find the roots when f dash of x is equal to 0. Then after we get the roots. One roots we can take substituting double derivative. If double derivative is greater than 0, function is minimum. If f dash x is less than 0, then function is maximum. And whatever value we can substituting original equation. Same example we can solve next example. Find maximum and minima of the following function. My example is f of x is equal to next example, f of x is equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x. Okay, x cube minus 9x square plus 24x. What is your first step? We can find first derivative. So given f of x is equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x. So f dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 18x plus 24. 3x square minus 18x plus 24. Again we can find double derivative. So we get here 6x minus 18. Now we find extreme value. For the extreme value, if f dash of x is equal to 0, so therefore 3x square minus 18x plus 24 is equal to 0. So this implies we can simplify. 3 is a common, take it outside. So inside the bracket x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Find those two numbers which is multiplication is plus 8 and addition subtraction is minus 6. So number is x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. We can find here roots. So this implies x take it outside, inside the bracket x minus 4, minus 2 is outside, x minus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 2 one bracket, x minus 4 is another bracket. So we get the roots are x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. Now we put here, first we can take first root x is equal to 2 in equation f double dash of x. So consider here x is equal to 2 first. Okay, so put x is equal to 2 in f double dash of x. So therefore f double dash of x is equal to 6x minus 18. So f double dash of 2 is equal to 12 minus 18, which is minus 6, which is less than 0. So by second derivative test, f has maximum at x is equal to 2 and maximum value is we are substituting f of 2. So 2 cube minus 2, 9, 2 square plus 24 multiplied 2. Simplify. So we get here f of 2 is equal to 2 cube, that means 8 minus 9 multiplied 4 plus 48. So we get here 48 plus 8, which is 56, minus 36. We get here 20. So maximum value is 20. Now we can same procedure used by second group. So this is the maximum value. So maximum value of f of x is 20. Now we check another root is maximum or minimum. So consider next B. Consider x is equal to, second root is 4. So we can take here x is equal to 4. So next step, put x is equal to 4 in equation f double dash of x. So therefore f double dash of x is equal to 6x minus 18. And here we find. So f double dash of 4 is equal to, whenever is x, substituting 4. So 6 multiply 4, which is 24, minus 18, which is 6, which is greater than 0. So when your double derivative is greater than 0, your function is minimum. So by second derivative test, we can say that f has minimum at x is equal to 4. And we can find here minimum value. How to find minimum value? Whenever it is given f of x, we can substitute x is equal to 4. So, and minimum value is f of x. What is your f of x here? F of x is equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x. So substituting f of x is equal to 4. So 4 cube minus 9 4 square plus 24 multiply 4. So simplify here. So we get here 64 minus 9 multiply 16 plus 96. Now simplify. F of 4 is equal to 64 minus 144 plus 96. Again simplify. F of 4 is equal to, we get here 4 80 minus 80 plus 96, which is 60. So minimum value is f of x is 60. Okay. So I hope you understand this example. Now one more example we can solve same method. So next example is, for example, f of x is equal to x divided by log of x, and we can find here first roots and we can find here minimum and maximum value. So whatever example is given, we can first find first derivative, then find second derivative, then find extreme value when f dash of x is equal to 0, and now whatever extreme value, whatever we given root, we put in f double dash of x. If your f double dash of x is less than 0, the function is maximum. F double dash of x is greater than 0, then function is minimum. So same procedure. First we find first derivative. We can apply here u upon v rule. So log of x, derivative of x. sorry, equation is x log of x divided by x. Log of x divided by x. So log of x divided by x, simplify. So we can use here u upon v. So x, derivative of log of x with respect to x, minus log of x, derivative of x with respect to x, divided by x square. We can use here rule of quotient, the differentiation from quotient u upon v rule. So simplify. So log of x derivative is 1 upon x, 1 upon x, 1 upon x is cancelled. Here 1 minus log of x, derivative of x with respect to x is 1 divided by x square. This is my first derivative. Now we find double derivative. Same procedure. So x square, derivative of 1 minus log of x with respect to x, minus 1 minus log of x, derivative of x square with respect to x, divided by derivative x square of square, x square of square. Simplify. Simplify. So we get here double derivative of x is equal to x square inside the bracket. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of log of x, which is 1 upon x. So minus 1 upon x. Minus 1 minus log of x as it is derivative of x square, which is 2x, divided by x raised to 4. Now again simplify. F double dash of x is equal to 1x is here cancel. So minus x minus 1 minus log of x 2x divided by x raised to 4. In this term, x is common, take it outside. So f double dash of x as well as minus sign is also common. So minus x, take it outside. Inside the bracket 1 plus 1 minus log of x multiply 2 divided by x raised to 4. So f double dash of x is equal to 1x is cancelled, which is minus, simplify, 1 plus 2 minus 2 log of x divided by x cube. So f double dash of x is equal to, we get here minus inside the bracket 3 minus 2 log of x divided by x cube. This is my double derivative. But we want here extreme value. So how to find extreme value? When f double dash of x is equal to 0. So for extreme value, if f dash of x is equal to 0. So what is your f dash of x? So here f dash of x is 1 minus log of x divided by x square is equal to 0. So we solve here, find the x value. So therefore this x square here divide both that side is multiply. So 1 minus log of x is equal to 0. Now this log of x here minus both that side is plus. So log of x is equal to 1. Now here this side is log term and this side is constant term. So your aim is this term is convert into log term. How to convert? We know that any number, log of any number to the same number, we get answer is 1. So we can here, what is the base here? So base is e. So this one also convert into log of e to the base e. Log of e to the base e, because value of this term is 1. Now same log a is equal to log b. If base are same and two logs are same, the corresponding value also same. So therefore x is equal to e. X is equal to e. So we get one root, x is equal to e. This e substituting double derivative. So put x is equal to e in f double dash of x. We get here. What is your f double dash of x? Here substituting f double dash of x is equal to minus 3 inside the bracket, minus inside the bracket 3 minus 2 log of x divided by x cube. So f double dash of e is equal to minus inside the bracket 3 minus 2 log of e divided by e cube. Now we know that log of e to the base e, answer is 1. So we get the minus inside the bracket 3 minus 2 divided by e cube, which is minus 1 upon e cube, which is less than 0. Which is less than 0. So this implies, therefore by second derivative test, f has maximum at x is equal to e and maximum value is f of x is equal to log of x divided by x. So we can put here x is equal to e. So f of e is equal to log of e divided by e, which is 1 upon e. So this is the maximum value. Now this is the f of x type means which type of function? Polynomial type function या logarithmic type function. We can find the maximum and minimum. Now next example we can solve the theoretical question for maximum minimum. Thank you.